Hi, I'm Plum Norton, and I wanted to share with you about one of the projects I'm working on right now. Sound and movement utilization was created using a software called Max, which is very popular for a lot of musicians out there. So this tool was created for an audience who are more involved with music performance, and now it can be just by the simplest thing as movement. These are just patches that capture movement to change lighting and even performer sound that are created. And I'd like to thank you for watching this, and if you have any questions or comments, I'd like you to contact me on my contact page, so you can check that out and ask me anything you need to or want to know. Thank you. Bye.